People have been asking me to put a little personal thing at the end of some of these videos. Okay, life in the third world. My wife goes down to pick up some stuff that we had shipped from the United States, and she has to go down and clear it with the shipping company and the customs here. And one of the customs agent, a employee of their government, tried to go to France. And why that affects us at all is that from here you can't go directly to France. You have to change planes in the United States. To do that, you have to have a visa. The Americans have to let you into the United States to change planes. Well, apparently, unlike in the past, the United States government is now starting to investigate the people who get these type of visas, and they looked at her Facebook, and on her Facebook she's a supporter of terrorism. She likes Hezbollah and, you know, their stated goals of the destruction of the United States and Israel. And the American embassy, she was told, don't even bother to come back. You will never receive a visa to come to the United States for any reason ever. And I thought, wow, that's the government employees from here.